Welcome. I'm so grateful you're here. Today, we'll be focusing on one of the building blocks of meditation, the breath. Normally, when we meditate, there's no special way to breathe. Any motion that gets air in and out of your lungs is perfectly fine. Today, we'll be practicing some breathing exercises that help our minds draw attention to our breath so that we can focus on it as we meditate. Find a comfortable position, sitting or standing or lying down. Eyes focused downward or closed. Spine supporting your body, but not tight. Take a few breaths here to settle into your posture. Good. Now we're going to practice some mindful breathing. To start, take a normal inhale, not a deep inhale, not a dramatic inhale, just a normal inhale for as long as you can. Let it out. Again. Good. Let's do one more. Beautiful. Now, when you inhale, we're going to hold it at the top of the inhale for 3 counts. So we'll inhale for 3, hold for 3, and then exhale normally. Let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale. Very nice. Let's go again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale. Nice. Now resume breathing normally. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale through your nose or your mouth. Notice if your body naturally wants to breathe out through your nose or through your mouth. If you're inhaling through your nose, feel the rush of air up through your nose and down your throat and back out again. If your body is choosing to breathe through your mouth, notice the taste of the air as it reaches the inside of your mouth and goes down your throat to your lungs and comes out again. Breathe normally for the next few moments. Keep breathing. As you breathe, you may choose to place your hand over your heart or over your abdomen, where you can feel the rise and fall of your breath moving in and out of your body. Choose a place in your body to focus on for the next few breaths. Keep breathing. That's beautiful. You did a great job today. Slowly wiggle your fingers or your toes. Bring movement back into your limbs and your joints. Open your eyes if you've been closing them. Good job. You've completed this meditation. Looking forward to continuing with you tomorrow.